Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will see how to fix LG dishwasher won't start but has power. Fix 1. Ensure door latch engagement. Close the door firmly. Make sure the dishwasher door is fully closed and latched. Inspect the door latch. If the door appears closed but the dishwasher won't start, check the latch for any damage or malfunction. Fix 2. Review control panel settings. Select a wash cycle. Ensure you have selected a wash cycle on the control panel. Disable control lock. If the control lock feature is activated, press and hold the appropriate button, often the dual control button, for a few seconds to disable it. Check for error codes. Look for any error codes displayed on the control panel and refer to the user manual for their meanings. Fix 3. Check delay wash function. Find the delay wash button on the control panel. Press the button until the display shows 0 or no delay time. Select the wash cycle you want to run. Press start to begin the cycle. Fix 4. Check level of your LG dishwasher. Check for gaps. Look for any gaps between the dishwasher and the countertop. Adjust leveling legs. Use a wrench to adjust the leveling legs. Turn clockwise to raise. Turn counterclockwise to lower. Use a level tool. Place a level on top of the dishwasher to ensure it's even. Test door closure. Close the door to ensure it shuts properly. Restart the dishwasher. Try starting the dishwasher again. Fix 5. Contact a professional. If you have gone through the troubleshooting steps and the issue with your LG dishwasher persists, it's advisable to contact a professional appliance repair service for further assistance. Now we will open the link. We have order support, product registration, product support, repair request. All we have to do is go to order support and click on the arrow. But before that, you have to sign in. Click on sign in option and enter your email address and your password. If you want, you can click on remember email so that when you come again, they remember you. Then click on sign in. Then you have to write your order, what you want to order and your email, then submit it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.